Hello, welcome to this HELiOS short clip. In this video, I would like to show you the new extended possibilities for derivation in Inventor. In this case, I have loaded a released assembly, which I will derive by using the new functions. Let's take a look at the dialog. On the left side, we have our CAD structure with the article information, and on the right side we have the status, in this case released. Here's the document number and the article number which has been assigned. The result list can be extended too. I could, for example, add the part type in order to right away see in the result list whether it is a standard part or not, as I might not wish to derive it. In this case, it could be a standard part, which is customer specific and not from the content center. These are the components which will not be included in the derivation. These components will be grayed out. When I click on the individual components, the graphic preview shows the geometry. If I want to derive it now, I have two options for the number assignment. I could either select specific object of derivation, which means a consecutive number will be suggested, which I can then also overwrite, or I select superordinate assembly, and this means it refers to the article number of the superordinate assembly and hands it down. If we take another look at the structure, we see that if a drawing is available for the geometry, it will be suggested for derivation too. If certain parts are controlled over branches or external references, they will be noted here, and if I click on this part, the linked drawings and parts will be selected for derivation too. The superordinate assembly, with the status released, which is usually locked for editing, will be selected as well, and thus derived. If I now look at the superordinate assembly, I see the assigned article number which I could override. If I want to derive to my new project, I could take the commission number and add a 5-digit consecutive article number. This would be handed down. In this manner, I could select more components which I want to derive. I then click on OK and derive the part. By the way, the procedure I used for the article numbers can also be used for document numbers. They can also be overwritten and numbered consecutively. If I derive now, I receive my new assembly. All the components which I have selected receive a new article number. I could then continue to work in the assembly and make respective changes. If I added, for example, this dependent part, the part it depends on is changed too. These components can be saved again, and the respective drawing has been derived too, and placed in my project. Okay, that's all regarding the new derivation possibilities. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.